Have you ever wondered how much a warmer Earth could change our lives? The answer lies in the understanding of climate change. Climate change is the long-term alteration in Earth's climate and weather patterns. It's become a hot topic, and here's why. The seriousness of climate change is unparalleled. It poses significant risks to our environment, our health, and the creatures with whom we share our planet. The rise in global temperature is a primary concern. This uptick, triggered mainly by human activities like burning fossil fuels and deforestation, has a ripple effect. It leads to a multitude of adverse consequences, from extreme weather events to an increase in infectious diseases. Speaking of weather events, they are becoming more frequent and severe thanks to climate change. Imagine hurricanes, droughts, floods, and wildfires happening more often and with more intensity. The devastation they leave affects not just the environment, but also the communities that bear the brunt of their wrath. Then there's the issue of rising sea levels. As glaciers and ice caps melt and seawater expands due to warming, sea levels rise. This phenomenon threatens coastal areas, causing land loss, population displacement, and infrastructure damage. Climate change also disrupts ecosystems. Changes in temperature and precipitation patterns can lead to habitat shifts, biodiversity loss, and various species endangerment. This disruption affects food chains and the services that ecosystems provide. The health effects of climate change are nothing short of alarming. It exacerbates health risks, increasing the incidence of heat-related illnesses and the spread of infectious diseases. It also poses challenges to food and water security. Economically, climate change takes a substantial toll. It damages infrastructure, increases healthcare costs, and impacts agriculture and fisheries. It can strain economies across the globe, making it not just an environmental issue, but a financial one as well. Socially and politically, climate change can exacerbate inequalities. Vulnerable communities often bear the majority of its impacts. It can also lead to migration and conflicts over scarce resources. Climate change is a problem we can no longer ignore. It's a problem we must face head-on. As Guy McPherson once said, if you really think that the environment is less important than the economy, then try holding your breath while counting money. The time to act is now. Take steps to combat climate change. Be aware of your carbon footprint, conserve energy, reduce waste, and spread the word. Our actions today will shape the world of tomorrow. Let's make sure it's a world we want to live in.